Did you know that a yawn can last for about 6 seconds? That's right, in just a few seconds your body can send a powerful signal. Yawning is something we all do, but we don't often stop to think about why. It's a universal action that transcends cultures and species. It's a natural reflex, but it can also tell us a lot about our bodies. For instance, yawning can indicate that our brain needs more oxygen or that we're trying to regulate our body temperature. Some people yawn more than others, and it can be a sign of different things. It might be a response to stress, fatigue, or even empathy when we see someone else yawn. It's not always as simple as being tired or bored. Sometimes yawning can be a way for our body to communicate that it needs a break or a change in activity. In this essay, we'll explore the science behind yawning and what it might mean for your health. We'll delve into the various theories and research that have tried to explain this common yet mysterious behavior. We'll also uncover some fascinating facts about this everyday phenomenon. From its role in social bonding to its potential health implications, yawning is more than just a simple reflex. A yawn is a reflex that involves opening the mouth wide and taking a deep breath. It's an involuntary action, meaning we don't consciously control it. Yawning happens in humans and most vertebrates, which are animals with backbones. While the exact purpose of yawning is still debated, it's likely connected to regulating the brain's temperature and arousal levels. When we yawn, we increase blood flow to the brain, which can help cool it down and make us more alert. Yawning excessively, meaning more often than usual, can have several causes. One common reason is simply being tired. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies may yawn more to try and increase alertness. However, excessive yawning can also be a sign of underlying medical conditions. These can include sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea, problems with the nervous system, heart conditions, and even certain medications. If you're concerned about your yawning, it's important to talk to your doctor. Section 4. Yawning and your health. While most yawns are harmless, excessive yawning can sometimes signal a health issue. Yawning is a natural response to tiredness or boredom, but when it happens too often, it might be your body's way of telling you something more serious is going on. For instance, excessive yawning can be a symptom of vasovagal syncope. This is a condition where your body overreacts to certain triggers like stress or pain, causing a sudden drop in heart rate and blood pressure. This condition causes a sudden drop in blood pressure leading to fainting. It's important to be aware of other symptoms that accompany excessive yawning, such as dizziness or lightheadedness. If you experience excessive yawning along with dizziness, lightheadedness, or fainting, seek medical attention immediately. These could be signs of an underlying health issue that needs to be addressed by a professional. It's crucial to remember that excessive yawning alone doesn't necessarily indicate a serious medical condition. Often, it can be attributed to simple factors like lack of sleep or boredom. It's essential to consider other symptoms and consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Always pay attention to what your body is trying to tell you and don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you're concerned. Section 5. Fun facts about yawning. Now for some intriguing facts, yawning is a universal behavior that transcends cultures and species. It's something we all do. But have you ever wondered why? Did you know that yawning is contagious? It's not just a human phenomenon. Many animals, including dogs and chimpanzees, also experience contagious yawning. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about someone yawning can trigger a yawn in others. This is because our brains are wired to mimic behaviors we observe, a trait linked to empathy. This contagious yawning is thought to be linked to empathy and social bonding. When we yawn together, it might be our brain's way of saying, "I understand how you feel." Another fun fact, yawning patterns can vary depending on the time of day. We tend to yawn more frequently during certain periods. We tend to yawn more frequently when we wake up and before bed. This might be because our body is transitioning between states of alertness and rest. This might be because our body temperatures are naturally lower during these times. Yawning helps regulate our brain temperature, keeping us alert and comfortable. In conclusion, yawning is a complex behavior with various functions. It's not just about being tired or bored, it plays a role in social communication and physiological regulation. While it can be a simple response to tiredness, excessive yawning might indicate underlying health conditions. If you find yourself yawning excessively, it could be a sign of something more serious. Paying attention to your body's signals and seeking professional advice when needed is crucial. Your body often knows best, and it's important to listen to it. So the next time you catch yourself yawning, remember it's more than just a sign of sleepiness. It's a fascinating glimpse into the intricacies of your body. Yawning connects us, regulates us, and keeps us in tune with our environment.